Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel tab, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. This will boot us into either Fastboot mode, which you can see right here. It's classified as such, though it's also classified as bootloader. So if this doesn't work as Fastboot mode, you can select recovery mode using your volume buttons. So once you see recovery mode right here, press power button, and you will see Android with no command first. So to get past this, hold power button, press volume up once, and then again using your volume buttons, you want to select Fastboot mode, confirm it again with power button, and there you go. This is the dedicated Fastboot mode. And here we have three options. So we have reboot system now, recovery mode, bootloader, or power off. Now the first and last option are just ways of leaving it. Recovery mode will take us back to the previous page, while bootloader will take us to the first page we have seen after turning off the device. And just as before, you navigate using your volume buttons and confirm things using your power button, which I'll be confirming reboot system now, which takes me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.